Has this ever happened to you? You curl your lashes with a lash curler. They look great for about 30 seconds and then they fall completely flat. If it has, I have something that is really working for me and I can't wait to share it with you. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today and you decided to spend a little time with me. I'm 58, and if you enjoy this video, you can find me over on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I'd love for you to come over there and say hi. I was originally going to make this video sharing a hack, something that I use every single time I apply mascara and curl my lashes to get them to stay in place all day long. And then a brand new product came out. So I'm going to show the product on one side and my hack on the other. You decide which one you want to use. If you are already looking at me and saying, Dawn, I do not even have any lashes. Everything that I'm sharing is going to be down in the description below. You'll find all the links there, as well as my favorite lash growth serum. I've been using this every single day. You'll see once I add mascara what a big difference it makes. Comb through my lashes, make sure they're not clumped together. This product that I'm going to use, I'm going to put it on this side, is from The Ordinary. If you've never bought anything from The Ordinary, super clean, super affordable. I love them. This is called the Lash Curl Finisher. This is not a primer. This is not a lengthener. So it looks like nothing. It feels like nothing. It's on and looks like nothing at all. Now I'm going to apply my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensation Sky Tubes. I love a tubing mascara. I forgot to use my lash curler. I had every intention of combing through my lashes using the lash curler and then using the lash curl finisher before my mascara, and I forgot. So these lashes is just this product and mascara. That's it. Let's do the other side. And all we're doing is applying mascara. Okay, first coat is on. Now I'm going to take my lash curler. I am not going to crimp my lashes. All I'm going to do is go up under my lashes and just kind of push them up and push them back into place so that my lashes are drying in the position that I want them to be in. And then what I do is I just keep moving it just a little bit. I'm not pushing them back so far that the mascara gets on my lid though. This one just has the lash curl finisher and the mascara on it. This side is only curled with the lash curler and mascara. Which side is your favorite? Honestly, I love them both, but I want to know which one you're going to try. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if your eyes are looking more tired, they're looking more downturned, or you just want some more eyeliner tips for our over 50 eyes, watch this video next. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.